Weilong V11 or Tornado V5? Which of these two top flagships is actually better? Hey everyone! Today we are comparing these two cubes to help you make this right choice. And a quick spoiler, in this video I'll tell you about an awesome giveaway we're hosting at 5000 subscribers, so get comfortable. On the outside and in the hands, they feel almost identical. But when turning, the Weilong feels a bit quieter, while the Tornado is most crisp and crunchy. Even at minimal turns, the difference is noticeable. The Weilong magnets work softer, and the rotations is smoother. With the Tornado, the alignment is sharper, and every turn is accompanied by a signature click. This magnetic performance directly affects the audio alignment. The Weilong snaps the layer very smoothly, like a magnetic cushion, while the Tornado pulls it sharply with a clean stop. And of course, corner cutting. Both flagships pass forward cutting perfectly from any position, but the feeling is different. The Weilong forgives sloppy movements a bit softer, without much resistance, whereas the Tornado offers more control on reverse cutting. Now let's take a look under the cap, because all the magic of custom tuning is hidden right here. In the Weilong V11 we see a modern 16-position system, 8 levels for changing the distance between elements and 8 levels for the compression force of the Maglev system. While with the Tornado V5, the brand offers a completely different approach. Here we have 8 levels of distance and elasticity under the cap that can be adjusted manually without any tools, as well as 9 levels of magnets and adjustment on the corners themselves. But tuning under the cap isn't everything. If you pull out the corners and edges, we see the main difference in the details. On the Tornado V5, you can additionally adjust the magnets right on each edge and corner. But on the Weilong V11, there are no adjustments on either the corners or the edges. By the way, while I am putting the cubes back together, support this video with a like and subscribe to the channel. Why? As I mentioned at the beginning, at the 5000 subscriber mark, there will be a big giveaway here, so it's better to subscribe right now so you don't miss it. Let's see how the cubes perform on algorithms. The Weilong is just a rocket in terms of speed. Formulas fly out instantly, but it is so fast that you really have to get used to it. The Tornado feels softer and more stable on the same formulas. It doesn't try to escape your hands, every layer falls right into its place. Now let's just do a couple of solves without any timers, purely to turn them for fun and feel how the cubes behave in a real solve flow when you're not chasing milliseconds. So, what's the verdict? Both cubes are absolute top tier, but for completely different tactile preferences. If you need maximum explosive speed, you love super lightweight cubes, and you're ready to control every micro movement of your fingers, the Weilong V11 is perfect fit, it just flies. But if rock solid stability and crisp alignment are your top priorities, and you want to fine-tune the magnets right on the corners and edges, then the Tornado V5 is 100% your choice. Write in the comments which of these two beauties is closer to you. Be sure to drop a like, hit the subscribe button so we can smash that 5000 mark as fast as possible and launch our giveaway. And turn on the notification bell. See you soon. Fast solves to everyone. And bye bye.